Should we try the reversing challenge then?
Reverse!
Foot on the brake as you're doing.
Foot is on the brake.
Depends how cool you want to be.
Oh, I'm
Like-
already really cool.
Yeah, obviously. We can either check the camera or you can do the hand behind my seat.
Does this look cool?
It looks really.
I can't even see anything back there. Let's try it with this first.
Okay, go on the accelerator now. Nice.
This is harder.
Oh, they've brought the safety car out.
This is the safety car.
So this is not the safety car. We're heading to the grass, right? Turn to your right a bit.
Turn to right.
You look a little bit
What?
stiff.
This is really hard.
Yeah, you need to turn a bit more. We're going to crash here.
Oh my God.
We were heading to the wall there again.
That's great, perfect.